It's aspirational and everybody wants to be. No, you are correct. Actually, ang daming mga past materials na ganito. There's a girl and there are 4 boys. Pinattern mo ba doon, Miss Tina? Sinakyan mo yung wave?
Actually po, inspired din siya sa Meteor Garden.
Okay.
Parang ginawa Pinoy culture.
Pinoy version, parang ganyan. Yeah. Nice, with Pinoy flavor. Anybody who read that Wattpad, sino sa inyo nakapanood? Ange, nakabasa?
Ever since grade 9 kami ng mga classmate ko, may best friend kasi ako si Carjen. Hello Carjen, if you're watching. Talagang nag-aaway kami para lang abangan talaga yung next na chapter kasi matagal po si Miss Tina mag-upload.
Ano ba?
Yeah, abang kami every time. Nag-aaway kami.
Wait, anong frequency nung upload? Every week?
Hindi siya every week. Minsan paputol-putol si Miss Tina before Minsan magkasunod na araw. Tapos minsan parang the whole week hindi siya magpo-post. Tapos the next week ulit gano'n.
Bakit naman gano'n, Miss Tina?
Kasi may work din po ako.
Oo, tama naman.
Hindi ko rin kayang i-full time.
Oo. Para lang sa kaalaman ng ating mga kasamahan sa press right now, nakakailang books or series na kayo nasulat sa Wattpad?
Meron na po akong like 11 published books po.
Wow!
Tapos, before sa TV5, parang naka-4 na po ako.
Na series. This time with ABS-CBN naman, movie. The very first, ABS-CBN produced. Briefly, let's talk about your roles. Nabanggit ko yung mga pangalan kanina, but tell us something more about your role. Ange, you're portraying Candice?
Yes, I'm portraying Candice, and Candice is a very, at first she's very meek because she always get bullied.
Okay.
But then, the 4 bad boys, dumating siya sa buhay niya, and then she began to discover na her world na, hindi lang pala, okay na ako lang mag-isa. Masaya din pala na nag-open up ako sa ibang tao. Masaya din pala na, I'm getting to learn the world like with the people who are important to me, and I'm getting to learn the world na I am fiercely and I am boldly out there. Na I'm not scared. Hindi siya scared sa mga discrimination ng iba kasi lagi siyang nabubuli na kasi pangit siya, bruha lagi yung buhok niya, wala siyang ayos, ganun. So, parang ang saya na kasi it really happens in real life.
I was about to say,
yeah,
it's a relatable experience. Diba?
Yeah, because everybody, may mga tao talaga na nabubuli, and this is a good book din na to read on na, we have to be gentle and we have to be good din to others because we don't know what they're going through behind. So, ayun, it's such a great story and I love Candice so much.
Si Jadon, bully ba? Ano ba? Bully ba yung character mo dito, Jello?
Medyo bully siya. Kumbaga si Jadon yung leader ng pack. Kung makikita niyo siya at first, sobrang tough, sobrang masungit, suplado, pero may bubog siya na kailangan niyo maintindihan kung bakit mataas yung walls niya sa mga ibang tao. And kumbaga sa ending niya, kailangan niya na panoorin kung ano mangyayari kapag nagmahal na siya.
Oh! So love will change his his life or perspective or mood. Diba? Okay. Si Marky, ano ba? Bully din ba si Marky?
Si Marky naman po, well, he's part of the 4 bad boys, pero I personally like to think of Marky, at least in the version na sinulat po ni Direk Bene, as yung parang anchor ng 4 bad boys. I think Marky kasi is more observant, he's more quiet, mas tamed yung kulit niya. But I think in a way, kung kasing kulit lang ni Marky yung 3 boys, if he's as aggressive as River or as kasing kulit ni Troyer, kasing sungit ni Jadon, I think the 4 boys would just be too much. So I like to think of Marky as the anchor. He's also a risk taker. I think he's really motivated by chance and that 50-50 thrill of not really knowing what's gonna happen. And that's in a way parang naging story engine ng movie na to. For reasons na hopefully you will find out if you do watch the movie. A lot of the events of this film start because of Marky's obsession with chance, siguro, or gambling fate, siguro po.
So we keep on reminding everybody that this is a movie ha. Isang upuan to, panonoorin ninyo. Hindi ito yung parang you're gonna wait for another episode next week. Hindi ganun. Isang upuan na papanood nyo na agad to. Thanks Harvey. Charles, anong sabi niya kanina? Masungit si Jadon. Aggressive.
Si Charles naman siguro is the most aggressive out of all the boys. Isa rin siyang bully, pero kay Candice lang. And that's because he is the older brother of Candice. And it's more of tough love towards Candice.
Parang hirap maniwala na bully ka eh. Kasi parang Mr. Green Flag nga ang tawag sa iyo eh, di ba?
Makikita niyo sa movie. Pero si Charles Gonzalez, he's not just protective over his sister, pero protective rin siya over his best friends, which is the four bad boys nga.
Alright, so aggressive, masungit. Ano si Troy? Makulit. Okay, Dustin. Describe your character.
Ayun po, I'm playing the role of Troy Mendoza. Ayun nga po, nasabi nga po ni Harvey na makulit si Troy. Which is, totoo naman. And dun din kinuha ni Direk yung character ni Troy kasi dun niya nga nakita na ayun, kung sa akin na sobrang kulit ko. And makapanood nyo din po doon kung gaano ka-lover boy si Troy.
Oh!
And
So sa grupo niya ikaw yung lover boy?
Opo. Actually, hindi lang po ako Kayo din.
Ikaw yung mas open.
Ay po, mas open ako. Open. Then kasi grabe siya pong mag-ano sa girls.
Okay.
Doon siya bully. Ayun talaga.
Flirt!
Opo, flirt. Pero
Chick boy!
Yan po.
Yan. Okay. Thank you, Dustin. Ikaw, Brent, party ka ba ng bully group?
Siyempre kung may four bad boys, may one good boy. Yun po yung character ko doon.
So good boy yung character ni Brent na si Sean.
We'll see. You have to find out. Yun yung kailangan na malaman. Kung good boy ba talaga.
So parang medyo pivotal ang character mo dito.
We'll see.
Well, let's see. Okay, next, si Annalyn, Stacy Chua.
Yeah, I play the role of Stacy Chua. I would say, based on the book, she's the queen bee, the cheerleader.
Are you a mean girl?
Yes.
Okay. Are you a witch here?
No, not really, but she is a mean girl, but she has a heart. I would say that.
Meron bang heart ng mean girls? Meron naman.
Yes.
Okay. Sige. Si Jella naman. Acting for the very first time?
Yes.
Yes! Oh, supportive.
Yeah, so yung character ko po is si JC Lopez. I am the older sister of Jadon Lopez. Funny no, Jella. Yeah. And what can I say about my role? She is a protective older sister. And medyo magulo ang love life niya. Dahil mayroon siyang affair.
Oh.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Abangan niyo na lang.
Abangan namin yan.
Yes.
Thank you, Jella. Crystal, as Kimberly Tan.
Yeah, so Kimberly Tan, she's a mean girl.
Yun, siya yung mean girl.
Yes, and ex po siya ni Jadon.
Okay.
And you know, when she starts seeing Jadon and Candice get closer, she suddenly wants revenge. So, yeah.
Oh, interesting. Okay, thanks for sharing all your character profiles. Let's open the floor for questions. Justin, we begin with Nika. Sabi of Push. Nika, sorry kung na yung volunteer ko. Nika from Push. Siya unang magtatanong. Si Nika. Go ahead. Do you have a microphone there? Wala? Okay, ako na yung magkilapit sa'yo.
Hello guys! Congratulations! So my first question is for Jello. This is your first lead role, your first acting project. How do you feel working with this wonderful cast? And what similarities and differences that you have with Jadon and who is the inspiration? And you know, ano yung inspiration mo in portraying Jadon?
Okay, siguro ako yung aside sa pressure na nararamdaman ko na first time ko mag-acting, sobrang grateful din ako na nakasabay ko sila sa first project ko bilang actor. Kasi before this project, before kami mag-take, yung iba sa amin magkakaibigan na and mas napag-ibig pa yung friendship namin because of this project. Ayun, along the way, habang nagka-taping, even before the taping, kapag nagpa-prep ako, I'm so happy kasi natutulungan ako ng mga kasama ko, ng mga co-artists. Kumbaga, hindi sila selfish na, hindi, ako lang may alam nito. Kumbaga, tinuturuan talaga ako. And yung difference siguro ng Jadon tsaka Jello in real life is similarities muna. Siguro may pagkataas rin yung walls ko sa mga tao para protektahan yung sarili ko from harm. And siguro yung pagiging leader na gamit ko rin dun sa mga eksena. Tsaka differences naman, I think, ako in real life hindi ako masungit na tao eh. Sobrang welcoming ako sa kahit sino. And yung kay Jadon siguro, parang pinaka-take away ko rin dun habang ginagawa ko yung role is yung tough love. Parang sobrang naiintindihan ko siya.
Thank you po. And this is for Direct Benny po. Hello po sir, congratulations po.
Hello, Nika.
Working po with this cast, kamusta po itong dynamics nila? And some are parang season na, and then some are newbies po. And what are the challenges that you experience doing this adaptation?
Ang first challenge is yung how will they fit dun sa character na nagawa ni Tina. So yun, may mga assignments sila. So yun nga, obvious, he's the muscle, he's the mind, he's the fun. Tapos siya is the lover boy, parang ganun eh. So parang madali nilang kapitan. Overall, yung cast, masaya tong grupo na to. Yun. And yun ang maganda dito sa when we were making the movie, exciting siya eh. Tawag dito, tsaka nafe-feel mo na yung, ay, when we're shooting it, ay, may magic to. Tapos yung nakita na namin to nung sa audition pa lang eh, nung pinipila. Kasi when you audition din, let's see nga kung ano itsura pag magkakasama to. Nung tinignan namin, ang exciting nito. And hindi pa namin alam na magiging sikat itong mga to sa PBB, may mga ganung exposure. When we're looking at them, parang, ay, may magic to. May magic tong grupo na to.
Thank you, Nika. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, ba?